Most people think subscriptions are too small to damage their finances. But the truth is, subscriptions are dangerous precisely because they feel small. $9 for streaming, $12 for music, $15 for cloud storage, $20 for an app you barely use. None of these charges feel serious on its own. But when they all arrive quietly, automatically, and month after month, they can drain hundreds or even thousands of dollars from your future without ever feeling like a major purchase. And later in this video, I will show you a simple escape tool that helps reveal which subscriptions are genuinely improving your life and which ones are quietly owning part of your paycheck. The subscription trap does not usually begin with a reckless financial decision. It begins with convenience. You sign up for a free trial because you want to watch one show. You download an app because it promises to make you more productive. You subscribe to a fitness platform because this time you are definitely going to exercise consistently. Then life gets busy. You stop watching the show. You forget about the app. You return to your old workout routine. But the charges continue. The service remembers, even when you do not. That is what makes subscriptions different from most purchases. When you buy something once, the transaction ends. But when you subscribe, the company receives permission to return to your bank account every month until you actively stop it. And doing nothing means continuing to pay. Imagine someone named Daniel. Daniel earns $1,800 a month. He does not consider himself irresponsible with money. He pays his rent, buys groceries, covers transportation, and tries to save whatever remains. One evening, he notices that his account balance is lower than expected. He checks his transactions. A streaming service charged him $16. A music app took $11. A cloud storage service charged $10. A gym membership he rarely uses took $35. A premium delivery service charged $12. A budgeting app he forgot about took another $8. Then he finds two more charges, $20 for an online learning platform and $14 for a second streaming service. Together, those subscriptions cost him $126 that month. Daniel tells himself, it is only a few dollars here and there. But $126 a month becomes $1,512 a year. That is not a few dollars anymore. That could have become an emergency fund. It could have reduced debt. It could have paid for an important course, a necessary repair, or several months of investing. Instead, much of it paid for services he barely remembered having. Here is the first major problem. Subscriptions make spending invisible. Paying $120 in cash at the beginning of every month would feel painful. You would pause. You would ask whether each service was worth it. But when the same amount is divided into 8 automatic charges spread across different days, it barely registers. $7 on Monday, $14 on Thursday, $29 the following week. Because the pain is divided, the total cost becomes difficult to feel, but your bank account still feels the full amount. Now consider another trap. Subscriptions are designed to become part of your normal life. At first, a service feels optional. Then it becomes convenient. Then familiar. Then necessary. You start thinking, I cannot cancel this. What if I need it later? But needing something once in the future is not the same as needing to pay for it every month today. Pause for a moment and ask yourself, how many subscriptions could you name right now without checking your bank statement? Most people remember the obvious ones. The main streaming service, the gym, the phone contract. But what about the forgotten free trial? The photo editing app? The premium news account? The storage upgrade? The game membership? The software you downloaded for one project 6 months ago? The subscription trap grows in the background, and the psychology behind it is powerful. First, there is the small number effect. $10 feels insignificant, especially when compared with rent or groceries. But $10 repeated every month is not one $10 decision. It is a $120 annual commitment. $25 a month is $300 a year. $50 a month is $600 a year. $100 a month is $1,200 a year. Small numbers become large when time is added. Second, there is the optimism trap. You subscribe for the person you hope to become. You will exercise every morning. You will complete every online course. You will watch documentaries instead of scrolling. You will use the premium productivity system every day. But companies charge the person you are today, not the person you hope to become tomorrow. Third, there is the fear of loss effect. Canceling a service feels like giving something up, even when you are not using it. What if a good movie appears next month? What if you decide to return to the gym? What if you need that premium feature? So you continue paying to preserve an option. But keeping every option open is expensive. Fourth, there is cancellation friction. Signing up takes 30 seconds. Canceling might require searching through menus, remembering passwords, answering questions, rejecting special offers, or contacting customer support. That difficulty is not always accidental. The longer you delay, the longer the company gets paid. Now let us turn to the escape tool I mentioned earlier. It is called the Value-or-Vanish Test. For every recurring payment, ask 3 questions. First, did I use this service meaningfully during the last 30 days? Not did I open it once. Not could I use it someday. Did it genuinely improve your life during the last month? Second, would I buy it again today at its full annual cost? Do not look only at the monthly price. If a subscription costs $15 a month, ask whether you would willingly pay $180 for it today. That question changes how the cost feels. Third, what financial goal is this subscription competing with? Every recurring payment has an opportunity cost. That $30 service may be competing with your emergency fund. That $50 membership may be competing with debt repayment. That $100 collection of forgotten subscriptions may be competing with your first investment. If a subscription fails 2 of these 3 questions, cancel it or pause it immediately. Not later, not after 1 more month. Immediately. Then create one simple rule. No new subscription enters your life unless an old one leaves. This prevents your monthly obligations from growing silently. You can also create a dedicated subscription list containing the service, monthly cost, renewal date, and whether it is essential. Do not rely on memory. Put everything in one place. Then review the list every 3 months. Look especially for duplicate services, annual renewals, free trials, apps you no longer use, and services that increase their prices. And when you cancel something, redirect that exact amount. If you cancel a $25 subscription, automate $25 towards savings or debt. Otherwise, the money may simply disappear into another form of spending. This is where the emotional contrast becomes clear. One person cancels $80 in unused subscriptions and thinks, "Great, now I have extra money to spend." Another person redirects that same $80 into an emergency fund. After 1 year, the second person has $960. The income was the same. The opportunity was the same. The difference was what happened after the cancellation. This matters because financial freedom is not only about earning more. It is also about protecting more of what you already earn. A raise can help you. A side income can help you. Better investment returns can help you. But if your paycheck is filled with automatic commitments, new income can disappear before it has the chance to improve your life. Subscriptions do not have to be bad. A service you use regularly, can afford comfortably, and genuinely value may be worth keeping. The trap begins when convenience replaces awareness. When automatic payments continue without automatic value. When your past decisions keep reaching into your future paycheck. So check your bank statement. Find every recurring payment. Calculate the annual cost. Apply the Value-or-Vanish Test. Keep what serves you. Cancel what is not. Redirect the savings towards something that builds your future. Because the subscription itself may be small, but the habit of paying without noticing can become very expensive. And subscriptions are only one version of a much larger problem. Small monthly payments for phones, furniture, cars, apps, loans, and lifestyle upgrades can slowly take control of an entire paycheck. Watch the next Capital Academy video series, Money Traps, with more episodes that expose the hidden financial traps that stop people from building wealth.